And we continue to get you pictures as protests are intensifying. You see women protesters also a part of the march as they are walking across Howrah. In the last few hours, unprecedented scenes that have broken out on the streets of West Bengal. It was a students' march, a students' protest demanding the resignation of Mamata Banerjee over the mishandling of the RG Kar case. But what transpired was a clear sign of desperation of the Mamata government that is not being able to take control of the situation on the ground. Frustrated people in Bengal saying that the chief minister is unable to handle law and order. And there you saw how innocent protesters, including several of those women protesters who narrated their ordeal of how they were manhandled and provoked. Kishalay continues to stay with us on the broadcast as we say with those scenes.
আমাদের রাজ্যের মেয়েরা ধর্ষিতা সবাই চায় না আপনারা আমাদের গুলি করে মানুন আমাদের সম্মানটাই আমাদের কাছে বড় কথা আমাদের সম্মানটাই আমাদের কাছে বড় কথা
Giving out all the details about what is happening across Kolkata and near Nabanno. We can see the protesters are now 2.5 hours already gone and protesters are still now on the road. More protesters pouring in even as Mamata Banerjee's administration shamelessly cracks down on protesters, on peaceful protesters waving national flags. It seems like the protesters waving national flags are not doing something illegal and police is lathi charging on peaceful protesters waving national flags on the streets of Kolkata. Shameful display of power even after the Supreme Court had said specifically that there should not be a show of strength on the peaceful protesters in Kolkata in this regards. There are live visuals coming in where huge barricades and containers have been set up. These containers are usually set up in front of Red Fort when there is a threat incoming like a terrorist threat or something. What is the Mamata Banerjee's government even thinking? What are they doing is what the people of West Bengal are asking. The people of West Bengal are asking today that if this is how the Mamata Banerjee's administration can muzzle the voice of protesters, why it could not do the same when the goons were vandalizing RG Kar? Was Vinit Goyal sleeping that night is what the people of West Bengal are asking. And right now I'll go to Ishan. Ishan, right now we see visuals from Howrah and we see live visuals, live reporting as well. Shontu, our reporter, reporting from there. A woman being dragged through the streets and TMC is saying that there is no woman in this protest. Shameless.
She's a face, she's an icon of protest in West Bengal since years. She is Tumpa Koyal from Kamduni. She's a woman protester. She came to light when she was protesting against Mamata Banerjee after the Kamduni rape and murder case. And since then, in every rape and murder case, Tumpa Koyal, Mousumi Koyal from Kamduni, they come to accompany the civil society in protesting against any kind of injustice. Here also we can see Tumpa Koyal, she is being dragged. She is being dragged by police now. She was protesting and this is Mahatma Gandhi Road. This is the main approach road towards Howrah Bridge from Bada Bazar area of Kolkata, Kishala, you know. And though police is trying to calm down this protest by arresting or detaining protesters, by taking them away from the place of protest, but still we are getting information, Kishalai, that more and more crowds are approaching towards these strategic locations. Kishalai, we have learned that this is one Mahatma Gandhi Road where new crowd formation is being observed, and at the same time another place that is the Hastings intersection, which is just in front of the second Hooghly Bridge. There is another big crowd approaching towards that. So both the bridges between Howrah and Kolkata, that is the second Hooghly Bridge and the Howrah Bridge, in front of both the bridges or in front of those approach roads, the new formations of crowds are being seen. New crowd, new processions are moving towards the Mahatma Gandhi Road and the Hastings intersection. So this might be strategic on the part of the protesters, Kishalai, because as police is down on the mob, as police is trying to as police is trying to brutally carve down this protest. You can see that containers have been placed on the streets of Kolkata. We have never earlier seen such visuals in the streets of Kolkata. We have seen barricades, we have seen lathi charge, we have seen tear gas shells, but we have not ever seen such placement of containers to block the roads of the protesters in Kolkata. So this is really an unprecedented situation, and 2.5 hours have passed. It is about approaching 3 hours and still the protests are going on. Is it reminding Mamata Banerjee of her own movement against the left front regime in 1993, Kishalai? Riding on which Mamata Banerjee became Mamata Banerjee? Is it reminding her of that same event in 1993?
Changed and Mamata Banerjee has changed too. That's what the protesters are saying. Mamata Banerjee used to demand rights for people at that point of time, and now what she's doing is she's curbing on people's rights. We can see those live visuals. A while back we were showing Hastings. This is Hastings, I believe. This is Hastings near Howrah, and there we see containers have been put up. Now containers on the streets of Kolkata, when was it last put up? We don't remember, because these are usually put up at high risk zones when there is a threat of terrorist attack or something like that. It is usually put across Red Fort when the Prime Minister is giving out the 15th August speech. Now Mamata Banerjee has brought down these containers, but the protesters we see are dragging away the barricades. The protesters are dragging away the barricades in front of the containers. Now a while back, as you were pointing out, Ishan also was pointing out, and right now we see that tear gas shells are being fired. Tear gas shells fired again. This is probably the 20th time I'm saying this today. Tear gas shells being fired in large numbers towards the protesters. Now usually what we have seen previously, the tear gas shells are fired when situations go out of hand. But here we see the protesters are just standing on the road. They are waving the national flag, and suddenly the police fires innumerable tear gases on the protesters. This is clearly panic among the police administration and ruling dispensation, who are scared of losing their control over the people of West Bengal. They used to believe that they can control any situation. They used to believe that they can control any voice of dissent. But today's situation has cleared it, has made it very clear that innumerable tear gas fired on the people of West Bengal would not stop them from demanding justice. Innumerable number of water cannons being gushing on the protesters would not stop the people of West Bengal from demanding justice. Innumerable number of policemen lathi charging on the women protesters would not stop the people of West Bengal from demanding justice. Today the people of West Bengal are on the streets demanding justice for Abhaya, who has been murdered, who has been raped brutally. And what is Mamata Banerjee doing is something that the people of West Bengal are asking. Innumerable number of people on the streets today facing off with the police force of Mamata Banerjee, looking eye to them and asking, when will the Chief Minister resign? When will the Chief Minister step down? That is what the people of West Bengal are asking today. Live visuals from MG Road in Howrah, where we can see, Ishan, the police is facing the ire of the people. Innumerable number of tear gas shells being fired. This is probably Hastings, and people are not backing down. They won't back down today, Ishan.
They are not in a mood to back down, Kishalai. This is near Hastings somewhere, and police is using tremendous force to curb down this mob. You can see that the mob is not having any kind of dangerous weapons in their hand. They are just marching ahead towards Nabanno. But still, they're waving the national flag, but still they are being stopped. You can see right now the visuals. Right now, see the visuals. One single protester with the national flag, but how many police personnel are surrounding him, and which kind of force is being used? Have you seen in these cases where such peaceful marching ahead, peaceful processions are marching ahead towards Nabanno. Are they carrying any kind of weapons in their hand? Are they doing any kind of dangerous activities? But still, police is using tremendous force. The full force is being used to stop them. Police is not at all ready to allow them to move towards Nabanno. But Kisholai, we have learned, we are getting new information. If you have the visuals, you can show also, because we are getting visuals and we are getting information that a procession of the protesters with women in front, they have reached within 1 kilometer of Nabanno, the state secretariat. Today it was the Nabanno Vijan. Today it was the movement to Gherao the state secretariat, and within 1 kilometer of the state secretariat, the protesters have reached. I would like to tell the PCR to show that visual. We already have that visual in Bangla. You can show that visual also. Show that visual. The protesters have reached within 1 kilometer of state secretariat. Here you can see that near Hastings. Hastings is a place which is near to the second Hooghly Bridge, which approaches Howrah from Kolkata. There also police is cracking down. They are using tear gas shells, and at the same time on the other side of the Ganga river, where the Nabanno is situated, within 1 kilometer of Nabanno, one procession has already reached. They are waving national flags. The women are in front of that procession, and that is just 1 kilometer away from State Secretariat. Kisholai, this is unprecedented. This is total failure of Mamata Banerjee's police and administration to crack down brutally on this movement.
Exactly, and with whom Mamata Banerjee is fighting today? It's the people. It's the people against Mamata Banerjee is fighting today with all these force. This is not BJP or CPM or Congress that the Mamata Banerjee administration is fighting with today. Mamata Banerjee's administration is fighting today with the voice of common people, the students, the women, the sadhus, the elderly, the people who go for their daily jobs, the people who do their daily business, the housewives who does their work in the homes. All of them are today on the roads. And very close to Nabanno, and this is live visual. It's race course right now. Two visuals right now as we are showing. One, how the protesters have been injured, and if you cut to Bangla State, we are also showing a visual of the protesters who reached very close to Nabanno. Right now we are showing protesters. These are protesters who reached within 1 kilometer of Nabanno. So there we have Hastings, Racecourse, Howrah, Satragachi, Nabanno, visuals from everywhere, College Square, College Street, etc. And in every case, the only single point of all these protesters is that they want resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. They want one more resignation of the Health Minister Mamata Banerjee. They want one more resignation of Police Minister Mamata Banerjee. They want one more resignation of Home Minister Mamata Banerjee. They want resignation of Mamata Banerjee because she has failed. They are saying, the protesters are saying, that she has failed to do her duty. Our reporters on the roads, Shukhendu there a while back, he is reporting live from Howrah, and this is MG Road right now. This is MG Road, and very close to Howrah, MG Road. All these are areas which lead to Nabanno. If you just keep on going for a few kilometers, you'll reach Nabanno in a while. But now we are hearing also, it's a breaking that a rally has reached, as Ishan was saying that within 1 kilometer of Nabanno. Ishan, what about that rally? What is that rally doing? What, police is cracking down on that rally too?
Police is trying to crack down on that rally too, because we are already showing that in Bangla. You can cut to Bangla also. In one window we are showing that visual. In that procession which has reached towards Nabanno, just within 1 kilometer of Nabanno, that is being led by the women mainly, and the women protesters are leading that procession. They are in the front, and they have reached the Sharat Chatterjee Street. From there, the Nabanno, the state secretariat, is only 1 kilometer away, and this is total failure I can say this is a moral victory. This is a moral victory of this protest, that in spite of such a huge crackdown by the police with tear gas sales, with water cannon, with lathi charge, with containers being placed on the road, within 1 kilometer of the state secretariat, the procession is reaching and women are standing in front. They are waving the national flag. This is a moral victory on the part of the protesters. I can say so, Kishalai.
Breaking, the All India Trinamool Congress has tweeted that make no mistake, this isn't a protest for justice, it's a chaos orchestrated by BJP for India. That is what the TMC is saying, Ishan. They have posted that make no mistake, this isn't a protest for justice, it's a chaos orchestrated by BJP. Hired goons running amok, smashing barricades and attacking on-duty police officers. We don't see that, Ishan. What we see on road is that common people, students, women, sadhus and protesters are peacefully marching with national flags on whom police is cracking down. So TMC is trying their best in order to portray this narrative, in order to float this narrative that this is a protest movement backed by the BJP. But we don't see a single BJP leader, no BJP face, no BJP flags, not even left faces or left flags. None of these protesters are any leader, none of these protesters are any party worker,